second time. Now I said, chalo, छोड़ो leave this. Sorry experience. Then my friend from America told me, why are you trying on? Why don't you try Amazon? I have never bought from Amazon. अरे कभी तक just try. They are the best in this. I said, होगा USA में best यार. Amazon India में like Indian people no. No, Kavita, they will. I have said many things in Amazon. I said, where within USA or outside USA. छोड़ो ना कविता, क्यों ऐसे बात कर रही हो? Just try. I said, okay, ठीक है. So I logged on to Amazon, and this time I said, I don't want this cash on delivery headache. And I really want to tell you this experience because it's a long transaction. So I paid by credit card. I card करके before I can even finish the transaction on my Gmail I got order number so and so, etc. so and so. This will be dispatched so and so. All complete details. Along with that, on my mobile number I got a message. Complete details. Then I got one more email. Please tell us whether your experience was satisfactory. And then they give the drop down box. Then after 2 days, I got a call. Or I got one more message that the item has been shipped. They have said 5 days or something for that item. This is just the 3rd day. The item has been shipped. You will be receiving it. Next day I got one more message. The item has been shipped. It will reach you on such and such a date and such a time. And then they have said if you have any problems, you call back. I did not know ये कैसा सब होता है. So on my Android phone I saw the website. They have many things in that website. Where one of the options is do you want us to call you? It's a drop down box. You go through each drop down of what is it about this experience. Brahman जरा AC बढ़ाओ बहुत गरम cooling बढ़ाओ जरा. So I said call. Call back and my number. और मुझे मोबाइल फोन रात को 12 बजे. You will not believe. Before I could press enter, खाड़ करके मैं मोबाइल फोन रखा. I have just said call. Call me. I press my mobile phone back. I picked it up. I can hear but they cannot hear me. The call got cut. I got a message. Sorry, the call was ended abruptly. If you want to let us call you again, please put it. I again did call. Again the call came. Again it got cut. This happened 3 times. I finally thought that there must be some problem in the network, so I went to the window. 3rd time the call came. Within a second you press enter, your mobile phone rings. And the best part is, till you say hello, the call doesn't get connected. So see the process. The minute you press enter, your mobile phone rings. Till you say hello, you don't get connected to Amazon. So how tight the process is. I spoke. She said, no, don't worry madam. This Indian girl, she took order number, don't worry madam, the item is for dispatch. You're going to get it tomorrow. You don't have to worry about anything. I'm not going to be at home, etc. I'll have something, no problem. Something being paid for us. Next day the order came and my housekeeper collected it. Okay? So all within 4 days the deal is done. I came home in the night. She said, "How much parcel are there?" So I opened the parcel. Once I opened the parcel, I saw the book, beautifully wrapped up in bubble-proof paper, shaper and all. This guy brought it in a canvas envelope. अंदर क्या होगा क्या मालूम? वो envelope देखा नहीं मांगता है फिर चला गया ना. So I opened it and then I got a shock. When I opened the book, I just opened the book. The first page. The binding was loose and the book came out and the binding was loose. Went very bad. मैं क्या करूँ? Now how many days हो गया? 19 days book order किया, right? So I messaged my friend, अरे book आया, but क्या करूँ मैं? It's in bad condition. WhatsApp पे message, return it. Return? So I messaged my friend, no, I'm not going to return. Don't be silly, return it. And then you know one more, read it and return it. I said, no, I don't want to do that. Why should I return it? As it is, this book was not available. Don't be silly, Kavita. It is Amazon. You don't have to feel apologetic. If the book is loose, you will return. Do it right now. They are fantastic. They will do it. So again, I went through call. Fat karke call back aaya. Before I said, by the time I said hello, she spoke. don't worry ma'am, whoever was that lady who spoke, don't worry ma'am, you don't have to worry at all, just make sure you put it back in the same wrapping if you have the wrapper. If you don't have the wrapper, she asked me the reason. I told her that it was used to. That's it. Put it back in the same wrapping. We will get it collected at our cost. My friend had told me that, but I said, so I had visions of what me putting it, returning it, courier charges, that fighting with them to repay. So I said, you get it collected? Yeah, you get it collected. And then she gave me precise instructions that tomorrow you log on to your computer and you take a printout. Because वो return parcel है, तुम्हें एक printout लिखो और वो printout paste करने का, वो packing में, and the person will collect it and he will return it. I said, what about reordering? He says, no, you have to reorder again. It's a fresh set because we cannot replace. We just return. Take it. Okay. As soon as I finished doing that telephone thing, I got a message on my Gmail. Are you satisfied, etc., etc. Signed by her, not by the Amazon team. Signed by Karen. Whoever is that lady, Karen. So next day when I came to office, मैंने print out लिया and I सब किया and went home and packed it, and I packed it very nicely. Because I'm so afraid कि अभी तक I don't know whether they really collect it. Then again I did that phone call routine. She said no problem. Some other Karen came on the line. She said no problem at all. They will get it collected. Again I got a message. Is there any other problem? I said no. Next day they got somebody came. They collected the parcel. No problem. By that time I ordered the book again. And then now I'm a very particular customer. So when I'm ordering for the second time, before I order, I contact them again. Again in office में call back आया. And even if you give a landline number, they call you back. Before you can say enter, call back आया on the landline number. Hello, Amazon calling, etc. Then I explained. I said, look, I want to buy a new book, but this was the problem with the earlier book. I gave them the whole story. I'm very much afraid now because if I buy another book, and it's coming from the same supplier because the supplier's name is written. And again, if it is loose, I don't want to get into this return. It's a very harassing thing for me to say, why did you get harassed while you were returning the earlier one? I said, no. But it's too much painful for me. I return it. So how will I know that your process is tight? That I will not again get a similar parcel. Because binding in loose है तो क्या? The answer I got was, no ma'am. Because you see, now when you place a new order, your name and all will go into the database. They will see your history. In the history it will be written that Kavita Ghera has just returned an earlier show. So उसमें वो whatever that drop down box research will be done, they will come to know, the feedback will be there on your name. When the new order is being serviced, once you order, the person who is going to do the transaction of actually ordering the book, will immediately your name will flash on the screen. They will come to know that you are a dissatisfied customer and the earlier thing was returned. Now every time you order second time, you may not order the same thing. But the history is that this was a dissatisfied customer. They will take extra precaution to see that the book you get next time will not be used by you, even if it is from the same supplier. That is the answer I got. I was so damn shocked. I said, wow. And really that is what happened. Exactly within 2 or 3 more days, the next parcel arrived. Same routine. And this time they went 2 steps further. It came 1 day prior. They said they will give delivery on Friday. That was the day, I think, your Maharashtra elections were declared. Results were declared on BJP called Maharashtra state elections. It came 1 week earlier. I took the delivery. I signed. And then I opened the book. Spick and span condition. Then I got an email again. After I signed and he is gone. So he must have done something on that handheld terminal. I got a message on my Gmail. This was delivered to you so and so. Please give us the feedback, good, bad, etc. Okay. Now the reason I have given this example is in order to have 2 different experiences. I was so happy. I said I will only buy from Amazon. Then I wrote to my friend on WhatsApp. He says, Kavita, I have done so many transactions with Amazon for years. And so many times I have returned this stuff. And even I am amazed at how they are so good about it. So one day I asked the person who was dealing with me that, how can you be so kind about the whole thing? You don't even once show that you are upset, angry, this. The answer I got was, because of you I get my paycheck. That is customer communication. The answer that, did you all get understood what I said? When the customer asks Amazon that every time because history se pata chalta hai na, then, how are you? I'm not returning just for this. In America, no, nobody's going to return just for the sake of returning. Nobody has the time to spend. So obviously something is wrong. How are you so kind? The answer given by the sales executive is, you don't have to feel apologetic because of you, I get my paycheck. So if that is the attitude, and that is why Amazon CEO has been voted the best CEO in the world. Now, that is a nice part of the story. Behind this beautiful fairy tale is a huge line of costs. That is why today Amazon is not making profits. Because in order to, now that is where we come to post-sale service. The cost of giving all this customer service is a cost. Every time an international phone call is made, that call is an international call, it comes from USA, wherever is their call center. Every time they have made the call, they have spoken to me, that email that has come to me, the interactions they have done. I spoke to them at least 10 times in 3 days, over 3 different transactions. Their feedback which goes, the return of the parcel, the collection by the courier, the packing charges, they have collected it at their cost. They are not having a stock. They have arrangements with suppliers. Even if you say that the supplier has paid, will be getting that supplier, keeping him on your roster, making sure that next time he gives a good delivery, which is what happened, it came from the same supplier, trader or whoever it was. All this comes at a huge cost. Then the company, in order to be in the business, because finally why are we all in this business? To make money, to make profits. Amazon is a publicly held company. It is on NASDAQ, right? So the shareholders have to get their money what? For this company is to do all this and yet make a profit. Can you imagine the amount of investment they have to do, the amount of processes they have to tighten, and their speed of delivery and their volumes have to be so high that they make up for this cost? Yes or no? They have to be in business to make a profit. If Flipkart has to do this kind, they have to make a profit. And retail selling is so tough because the offers, the profit margins they have are very, very wafer thin. You will not believe this book, 242 rupees at which I got it. On the bookstore, it costs at least 375. That means that is the MRP. That means the publisher who has published the book is selling it at 375. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now, if the publisher, is he going to change his price? No. Publisher never changes his price. It's like your film producer and director. He is going to sell it at a particular price to the distributor. It is the distributors who will play with their margins. Okay? So, the publisher has not changed the price. Who is the publisher? HarperCollins. HarperCollins is a very reputed publisher in USA. Worldwide publisher. Okay? That means they have an arrangement with some publisher in India. Okay? So they have not changed their price. That means the middlemen, the traders and the resellers and the wholesalers who are selling that book, Amazon is dealing with them in such a manner that Amazon is able to give me the book at 242 rupees and yet make a profit. I also don't know how. Readers gave it at 242, same price. Again, Amazon has to match all of the online. If I am saying, I may not go to so many sites. Typically, a person who is doing online will try to take them. So readers, they have to, so that Amazon has to compete against a Rediff and an eBay and a Flipkart. Right? And and still give it at the same price? See the difference. I don't even know whether Amazon will be in service for long, whether they even exist for long. But the fact remains that customer service comes at a cost, because Amazon also knows that if madam got this thing, madam is a permanent customer of Amazon. He did not have to spend an advertising budget. Retail selling, retail buying online, there is no advertising budgets. Do they spend on advertising? No. Do they come on your TV? Sometimes, very rarely. The whole idea of Facebook doesn't advertise. If they want, they will advertise on Facebook. Amazon will advertise on Facebook. So many times you see it on Facebook. So all these budgets, cost of acquiring customers, branding, advertising, selling, servicing, providing post-sale service, packaging, transportation, these are all costs. And at the end of it, you still have to take your cost, the same, और उसके नीचे क्या आता है? Profit. In that profit, you have to manage all this. Got it? That is why today the challenges for customer services are huge. It is not possible every time to give this service. So now what Amazon will have to do? They have a reputation to keep, right? They have a reputation that they cannot sell anything less than what they are selling. Now customer expectation of Amazon is so high that they cannot fault in their level of service. If they start defaulting on their level of service, can you just keep this file on this side? If they default on their level of service, they will not. Customers like me are so used to 5-star service. Suddenly, if Amazon Flipkart se correct? So they have that problem. At the same time, they have to tighten their processes in such a way that they have to make sure they make a profit. So what do they have to do? Then they have to have such deals. They will have to have deals with all retail stores, whether it is Big Bazaar, whether it is your West Side, whether it is and now we are talking of international. Today it's global. So they have to have deals with credit card companies, because you're buying on credit card. So the credit card company to Amazon, to Lifestyle, to West Side, to Marks and Spencer, to Nike, to Reebok, to resellers, to distributors, that whole chain, they have to have those. Like they will have to tell Citibank or they have to tell HDFC Bank that you use us as a, like I found out that if I have Citibank, if I buy from Amazon by a certain date of say 9th or 10th of November, then I get 10x points. That means, and all these deals are for a certain time. They are not, they are open. So that means that Amazon has to do, no, somebody sitting up there, somebody or whichever teams have to do all this marketing, have these arrangements. Okay, now in case they are selling jewelry, they will have to have arrangements with the credit card companies and the manufacturers of the jewelry, the traders of the jewelry, the transporters, with everybody, the same kind of reward points, everything is like that. Just imagine what kind of a market are we talking about. Amazing. You are ordering every damn thing. You want lingerie, you are ordering lingerie on the, you want phone, you want cooker, you want every available brand. It is a whole new set of customer interaction and you have no idea who your customer is. Correct? Many times you can't even speak to the customer. At the most you can speak and you have an email. No other. So you are dealing with an unknown animal. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, dealing with customers whom you can see, feel and touch. When I say see, feel and touch, I mean when I meet you, when I talk to you, it is a huge advantage for me. Because you see, when I meet you, I am able to judge you with my body language, like we did with the buyer and seller of the house. Like we did with the credit card, you are face to face. You come to know. The customer also comes to know. Even the seller comes to know what kind of customer. But on the phone, what would you know? Again, the phone also involves talking in different accents. Who's in ITS? Right? So if you all are going to talk, many times you have to talk in a foreign language. So your interaction, Bloomberg deals with all languages. Bloomberg deals with French, Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Arabic. There you are. So they have to have language experts. That means the emails that go, the customer interaction is done, the person, the staff whom you train has to be very proficient in that language. You have to be exactly on online the same as you would be on the phone. Hello, would you like to say this? Imagine writing all that. It is a separate competence. And that is why these people in the West, they have perfected that to an art. Online retailing and all started there 6-7 years ago. They have perfected it. We are still learning. So we will be going through all that. We will make mistakes, companies will get wiped out. Yes, they did it there too. In US or in the world, companies surviving is the most difficult thing. Every few days you will have a company getting sold. US has done selling and buying of companies in last 100 years. जो हमारे country में अभी last 10-15 साल से शुरू हो गया ना, buying, selling companies. No, you sell your stake and your company is sold. Last 100 years it is going on. Therefore, merger and acquisition with them is a degree which they give in university colleges. In America, the dream of every IT startup, any startup venture, is to start a startup, get a venture capitalist, get it funded because you don't have your own money, right? You get a venture capitalist, you fund it, you make enough money, and then you sell it. Because you cannot keep companies running. Pagal ho jayega. So there they start the companies, they make them profitable, and then they sell it. You see what Mark Zuckerberg will do. He will not run Facebook for life. He'll do something else, but he'll sell on Facebook. He'll get so much money out of it. What did Sabir Bhatia do with Hotmail? Why? Because it's one thing to start a business. It's one thing to make it successful. It's a very big thing to keep it successful year on year, quarter on quarter, global competition. It's huge. It is easier to sell it and restart a new one. Right? Yes or no? When you start a new business, you have challenges, but you have already dealt with those challenges earlier because you are the second time you're starting up. It's only a different product, a different service. But keeping a business running for year on year, like IBM, like General Electric, like TCS, like these are huge things. There are so many today IT companies here who are going to give the same insurance product which you have. Theirs may be better, little worse, at a much better price, much younger and agile workforce, very quick decision making, very quick systems. Okay? In BPO, the BPO market is so cutthroat, let me tell you. Internationally, when you have customers, remember, here you have competitors maybe 10 or 15. In the international market, when you compete, there are at least 50 competitors, correct? If you are offering a service, say SAP. SAP as a service. Okay, SAP, there are two parts of offering SAP. One is the licenses and the other is the implementation of SAP, correct? Sometimes companies offer both. Sometimes two separate companies do two separate things. One sells only licenses, one does only service. In Europe, SAP is a German company. In Europe, I think they say SAP is such a cutthroat market that every small time person is an SAP implementer. He has a 2 or 3 member team. He'll implement SAP. Because their SAP will be there in chotu company, big company, very big company. You can just scale up and scale down depending on the number of licenses. Am I right? Suppliers, they have their everything. So if CMC wants to go or TCS wants to go and sell SAP there in a foreign customer, say in US, let's take US because it's a mature market. People can identify with US easily. You have hundreds of SAP suppliers. What is so great in you and between you and them that customer should come to you? Your track record, your success stories, whether you have experience in that geography, that's a very important thing, and the price. Now, IT companies typically are worldwide. So all IT Indian companies are servicing in the world market, right? So when they are competing in California or in New Jersey for a customer, they will have 100 other IT companies like them. 50 of them will be Indian, other 50 will be from other countries, who have also last 20 years done IT business business abroad only. Domestic IT business nobody does because there's no money in it. Okay? So the customer there, whether it is General Electric or whether it is Nasdaq or whether it is Bloomberg, has got this huge, wonderful plate of suppliers in front of him. And they are all the best. Because if they were not the best, they cannot compete in international market. Have I got it right? Right? You are going to do projects domestically and make losses so that तुम्हारा हाथ सफाई हो जाए. And you can sell that product internationally. Internationally, you can't afford to make mistakes. यहाँ तुमको कस्टमर थोड़ा सा ये करेगा वापस आएगा तुम्हारे पास. International customer, you lose it, you have had it. He'll never come back to you. Okay? So in the international market, in US market or in London market or in Japanese market, you are competing with the best in the world. So what TCS is selling in the international market is competing with the TCS, with an IBM, which is competing with an HP, it's competing with Cognizant, it's competing with Accenture. They're all in the same business. And so many tier 2, tier 3 people who are also doing SAP business and who are probably equally competent and whose cost may be lower. Right? So, customer service marketing is a huge challenge. Huge challenge. And the challenges are, unimaginable because the way our market is changing, the way economy is changing, it is so fast. You can't keep pace. Got it?